Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to do a factory reset on Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. So let's do it. So to do that, just go to all apps and here press on settings and here go down and go to general. Again go down and we have here reset. Just press on this option and read carefully. Back up your data to Samsung Cloud before resetting. You can restore it later on this watch or a newer watch. So if you want, you can do this. And if you reset, all personal information will be erased from your watch. Okay, I know this, and let's press reset. And now it's resetting. And you need to wait for a few seconds until your watch will restart. Now just wait. And now I'm back, and all that you must do is to select your home language, press next and connect to your watch. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you and see you to the next. Have a nice day.